What's up, guys? So it's that time of year. We got no heat call. Whole building's out. Inducer's running there. About 57 degrees inside. This thermostat on this one, the best I could see, was in cooling mode. Thermostat's hidden by a bunch of crap, so I know that one's calling, so I'm gonna start here and do an initial inspection and probably jump the heat out for them for a little while, get them some heat in the building, and then we'll go over and take a look at that guy and see what's going on. So we're gonna get some issues here. This is the one that was set in cooling mode. As you can see, that front plate's shot. That's all the way through there. I think I said this before, but as these front plates rust, even before they get to this bad of condition, it will trip your rollout switch here. Just a quick tip, you can run these things with the doors off and they'll run just fine, but if you got that front plate, it's a retaining plate, once it starts rusting, you're gonna trip. As soon as you put that panel back on, it might run for a little while, but it typically trips that rollout. This is the older unit. We are in rough condition. The belt's reasonably snug, but we're going to end up needing a new unit here, or at least a heat exchanger and retaining plate. You can see my seams there rusting out. Same thing down here on my seams. So heat exchanger about shot on this one. Like I said, this is the older of the units. That's R22. That one looks like it's been replaced. It's Puron, so it should be in better condition. These things don't get maintained as well as they should. Maybe we've just got a loose belt or something simple going on over there. Let's see what we can do. So we got this guy tore apart here. Let's verify our flash code. 1, 2. And that's gonna be limit switch fault. So I can hear it. I know y'all aren't gonna be able to, but the belt's not on this thing. The motor's running, no belts. So let's get this door off, see what's inside. Motor sounds good. Like I said, this is a newer unit. It's in fairly reasonable condition. But that could be an issue. That'll cause your high limit trip every time. So we do have a spare here. We'll probably get a new one, but let's get that on for round and get them some heat. See your wires rubbing right there. These are your rub out spots on these carriers, guys, right here and back there in that corner. Also check your high limits, because these belts throw off sometimes. They can catch these wires and tear them up. That one looks all right. We'll have to pull and clean all these burners too. They're rough shape, but we're gonna let the building warm up first. Probably gonna have a 5-minute delay on the thermostat now that I killed power, so I'll bring you guys back. Let's see what this looks like. gonna give this heat exchanger a once over just to make sure, but I'm assuming it's gonna be okay. We're gonna let this guy heat for a little while now while I go get a new belt for it. So we've got a new belt and a spare inside still. So let's go do that, and we'll let this building warm up before we go do anything else, and then we'll pull all these burners and clean them. Careful when you're putting these back in, guys. Make sure you get them in the right way. You can see that end is pinched off, so stick this burner in the middle, you're gonna have issues. Make sure they go in the same way they came out. Same way with this end. Difference. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap this one up. Burner's clean. We got a new belt on. This one's gonna be good. I got that guy over there shut off. They're gonna have to make a decision on what they want to do with that one. But thanks for watching. Thanks for everybody that subscribed. We're gonna get these panels put back on, and we'll see you guys on the next one.